When it comes to the world of business, and of course Betty, the expert, is going to give us all the details. Betty, what's the latest?
The latest is that there's a transport strike looming over the road maintenance levy, but the details of that are coming up in a little bit. My name is Betty Kiptum. Let's get into the business news of the day. We start with Kenya Airways, which has restored its online booking system after an 8-hour disruption attributed to mass global IT outage. However, KQ warns that some customers may experience minor disruption as the system stabilizes. The national carrier was among the global companies affected by the IT outages attributed to Microsoft PC operating systems that hit airlines, media and banks. Take a look.
The widespread technology outage disrupted flights, banks, media outlets and companies around the world. The cause of the outage is still unclear, but many of those affected have linked it to Microsoft PC operating systems. John Taylor, Microsoft spokesperson, said the company is working to restore the outage. He attributed the disruption that affected Windows devices to an update from a third-party software platform. Microsoft further posted on X that the company is working on rerouting the impacted traffic to alternate systems to alleviate impact in a more expedient fashion, and that they were observing a positive trend in service availability. Kenya Airways was among the service firms affected, with the national carrier's booking system affected. However, services were restored later in the afternoon, with the national carrier warning customers that they may experience some disruptions as the system stabilizes. Operations and trading at the Nairobi Securities Exchange was not affected by the outage. A few Kenyan banks encountered disruption in the morning, but according to the Kenya Bankers Association chairperson John Gashora, banking services were restored and are running seamlessly. In Australia, flights were grounded, supermarkets experienced checkout chaos, and broadcast networks were left scrambling on air as autocue, graphics and computers failed. Wairi Mujenga for Easy Friday.